This is a beautiful 1951 Ford Custom Convertible. Beautiful red paint. It's really been restored perfectly. Notice the wide white walls of the fender skirts, and the interior has been upgraded. Beautiful job here. And the dash has remained pretty original to what it was. And it looks like the car has overdrive. Original wheel. Everything is perfect. We've got a spotlight on both sides of the front end. And we have that stone guard down below, modern wheels. And we have, of course, the flathead V8, which has been updated to 12 volts, as you can see by the battery and the alternator there. A little bath air cleaner. The grille is absolutely perfect. And I'm glad the hood is up because it gives you a view of how well this car has been detailed. And, believe it or not, it happens to be for sale. And there's the price. My own thinking is, wow, if I had the room and I had the money, this would be on my list. It's really nice. Beautiful car. And it has a Continental kit, but this one seems to fit the car, I would say. That's my opinion. I think it looks good on this car.